let us we see the different types of cement. Different types of cement has been manufactured around the world. Followings are the important types. Soral cement, which is also called as magnesium oxychloride cement, high alumina cement, white alumina cement, barium or strontium cement. Soral cement or magnesium oxychloride cement. Soral cement is also called as magnesium oxychloride cement. Soral cement is made by the addition of a strong solution of magnesium chloride to finely grinded cement. This cement hardens under only 2 to 3 hours. Coming to the uses of soral cement. Soral cement is used in composite flooring. Such floorings has the advantage of being non-slip, fireproof and unscratchable. It is capable of taking a coat of wax, oil or paint. High alumina cement. High alumina cement is made by fusing a mixture of bauxite and limestone at 1500 to 1600 degrees Celsius. The typical composition of such cement is lime, that is CaO 35 to 40%, alumina, that is Al2O3 35 to 55%, ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3 5 to 15%, silicon dioxide 5 to 10%. The setting of high alumina cement is similar to that of Portland cement. Barium or strontium cement. This type of cement is obtained by replacing calcium by barium or by strontium. So, such cement contains dibarium and dibarium silicates or distrontium and tristrontium silicates instead of dicalcium and tricalcium silicate in the cement. Regarding the uses of barium or strontium cement, this type of cement is used for concrete work in shielding of tiles. Coming to the mortar, concrete and RCC. Mortar is a pasty material formed by the addition of water to a mixture composed of an aggregate and a binding material. The mortar is a cement mortar, and if lime is the binder, then it is called lime mortar. Regarding the uses of mortar, mortar is used for the purpose of binding and bonding masonry units such as bricks, tiles, for plastering and painting walls so as to protect and join the exterior surface, etc. Coming to the concrete. Concrete is a building material obtained by the cement or lime with aggregate sand, crushed stone, bricks and water. It is possible to mold to almost any desired shape and get rigid and strong, and it is very durable. RCC. RCC means reinforced cement concrete. Reinforced cement concrete is a plain concrete and has a great comprehensive strength but little ability to withstand tension. Consequently, structures which are required to bear tensile stresses are reinforced, which can bear all type of loads. RCC work is mostly used in roofs, beams, columns and in building up of or construction of bridges, etc. Coming to the uses of cement. As we are all familiar with the use of cement, let us see some of the important uses here. Cement is used as a building material for the construction of building, bridges, dams, canals, water reservoirs, walls, etc. Cement is also used to make cement pipes. It is also used as a decorative. Cement is also used for joining the marbles, pillars and blocks of bricks and for the manufacture of tiles, etc.